welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. I said welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. I said welcome to the channel. His name Dave. His name Dave. His name Dave. Welcome to the channel. His name Dave. His name Dave. His name Dave. Welcome to the channel.
We got big trucks, big lives, new verse, new track, big things. We turning up in this things. On the beat, we got heat. Thanks to Big Bird. On the beat, we got big trucks, big lives, new verse.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Dave, back with another video. And in today's video, we got some batteries to replace for the tractor. So we're gonna try to get the tractor running today. I actually got Mr. Jerry, not Jerry from the last video, but Jerry from another video. Well, not even from a video. He's just the guy who works on tractors. He actually got this bad boy running, but it wasn't actually going in gear. So I got two brand new batteries that we're gonna put in here, get it fired up, and hopefully he can get it going back and forth. If it is something just as simple as, not having not antifreeze, transmission fluid, just not going in gear, hopefully it's just something simple like that and not nothing where it needs a whole new transmission. From my last understanding, it was working last time my dad drove it. So and when Jerry came and got it running, we never moved it. No, we just let it run. So now it's like a year later, and now we actually need this sucker to start working. So permits are almost about to be approved, and we just need to get this bad boy going so we can knock down these trees and keep it pushing, bring this dirt in and fill in this hole. So stay tuned with us. Jerry should be here shortly. So hopefully we get it right. And look, I didn't know if you was at that one or the one down that side, but when you said Fairburn, I was like, okay, he's probably right down on that one.
I can't see right there.
Look, so the last time you came out here, I haven't had no batteries in it. I haven't really did nothing. I did try to get it to move, but I couldn't even get it going in gear. This guy told me to check the transmission fluid or stuff like that. I was like, man, I don't even know where the transmission fluid at.
Where your cross about that? You got to have a
yeah, I went and bought one here. I got some cat pieces.
That's your operator right there?
Yeah. This is my operator, Stacy, right here. Big sis. We got a YouTube channel.
Oh,
and
yeah?
We put a whole bunch of different stuff. So one reason I started was for the land and dump trucks and everything. So yeah, she getting this side of stuff for me.
If the tree just, it didn't grow in it or nothing, did it? How long has it been sitting?
Since Dad passed, 3 years. Last time he started up was well over a year ago. So it's been sitting since Dad for 2 years before I started. And then, but I'm pretty sure Dad had it running and be able to use it. So I don't think nothing wrong with it. Like I said, it could just leaked out of transmission fluid. I don't even know where the fluid was at. I don't know what the disc. I don't know. So if Mr. Jerry to come out and look at it again, because Dad was pushing off loads and doing stuff. So once we get approved, this is gonna be my piece of equipment. So really starting everything from the ground up.
Hey, mama calling. Should I answer it?
it break the bucket up and should have enough fluid in there to make it full, but it ain't.
Now, would the cap be bad, or like if the seal wasn't good, would it be able to maintain pressure if the cap?
Yeah, but that ain't got nothing to do with the transmission.
With the transmission, okay.
I got it cap. But it got enough fluid to pick the bucket up. Yeah, that's. It got enough fluid to pick the cap up. Thing right back here. Right here. They going one way, all that means is, turning one way, all that means is your brakes loose on this side. If you tighten the brakes up there, it'll catch and turn. That's where you adjust the steering right there. That easy to adjust. If I can get it to move, I can fix that part. But I'm gonna check into it.
That'll help me out.
Yeah, I'll check into it.
Cause I ain't gonna come across no transmission.
You might.
I mean, I would have to call you because I don't know.
No, I'm gonna go around and see if I found one.
Oh, okay.
So I know what I'm looking for. So if you don't know what you're looking for, so you know what. Well, if you call them and talk to them, they're gonna ask you first, and you ain't gonna know what to tell them.
You right about that.
This way you can't get nothing though. Bullock had a tube the other day. Yes, the brother told her it'll be a month to 2 months before they could get it. And then yesterday, the day before yesterday, a guy had a tube on a Bobcat. And he went to Bobcat to get it. They told him 3 to 5 weeks. They said they can't get no parts. I found a place in Douglasville. They made bullet tubes for $190 in one day, and one day they charged $140, and they did it in one day. They made it look just like that tube too.
They were good too.
Yeah, and Garrison brother wanted $300-something for there, and
2 months out.
2 months out, they wanted almost $400 for that. And they got one day. They were about 25 weeks out. They went about the same thing. You don't find too many. You find people that make those rubber hoses. You don't find too many that
Make it too good. Yeah.
Them people make them though. They right there in Douglasville too. I've been going all the way to Marietta. And them folks make them, and they right there in Douglasville. You gonna leave these out here? You gonna take them in that too?
Yeah, I'll take them.
Appreciate you for sticking with us during this video. I made it back to the house, then took a shower. So make sure you hit the like, subscribe. And another thing, if you made it this far, appreciate you because we actually hit over, dang, see, I just got a shower, I'm ashy. We just got out, it passed over 100 subscribers. So if you're in the first 100, appreciate you. Next goal is hitting 1,000. Shouldn't be too hard, but may take another year. I don't even mind because I'm just doing this for the journey. So appreciate you. Stay tuned. Welcome to the family.
Hey, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. I said welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. I said welcome to the channel. His name Dave. His name Dave. His name Dave. Welcome to the channel. His name Dave. His name Dave. His name Dave. Welcome to the channel.
We got big trucks, big lives, new verse, new track, big things. We turning up